Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have here Chance the Rapper featuring Joey Badass with a song called The Highs and the Lows. So this one is nice to play and very easy. It's only 2 chords and 1 strumming pattern. Couldn't be easier than this. So let's start right away. No need for any capo. And the 2 chords we're gonna learn here is the G minor with the bar chord and A minor with the bar chord. We'll go back and forth like this. All right, so let's start. The G minor first. We have a bar here on the 3rd fret, all strings, and the rest will be 5th on A and 5th on D. Sounds like that, sweet. And the next and final chord will be the A minor. You have the same grip there, just move it up to the 5th fret with your bar. So bar, all strings on the 5th fret, and the rest will be 7th on A and 7th on D. So there you have the chords. G minor, A minor, A minor, G minor, G minor, A minor. Yeah, pretty easy. Now let's look at the one and only strumming pattern that will work for this song. G minor is the first chord, so it will be like this. Down, clap, up, down, down, clap, down. So down, clap, up, down, down, clap, down. That is one round. So again, down, clap, up, down, down, clap, down. And so on. So what you're gonna do here, you're gonna play 2 strumming rounds for G minor, and then you shift to 2 strumming rounds for A minor. And that is pretty much what you need for this song. And that covers Chance the Rapper's The Highs and the Lows. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one. And if you did, please thumb up and see you soon. Play tuned.